Imagine if a third of the population of a country had a health challenge. How many youth would be involved? In Uganda, 14 million people have mental health challenges. My name is Juma Said Tusubira from Uganda Red Cross Society. I'm innovating an idea called touchless counseling that will link youth to mental health services and business support. Touchless counseling will cut the bias that is associated with religious institutions and schools where youth usually get counseling. This idea will reduce the distance that youth encounter while looking for mental health services. Counseling will be timely and in the same spot where the youth are found. We have improved the idea through testing our prototype with my mentor. We have added a feature that helps an educated youth to navigate the application using a voice prompt. We have added a consent feature to make the counseling more private and secure. We have added a feature that links youth to the specific business mentor in the same industry. Success for touchless counseling is when youth have free and timely access to mental health services and business support. This can compound into reduction in mental health challenges and reduction in financial dependence. This success could be measured in 3 areas. First of all, the users. How many youth are enrolled onto the application, the number of accounts that have been opened, the number of youth that are accessing mental health services, the number of downloads of videos and other resources on the platform. Success can be measured through our service providers, the networks of mental health providers on the platform, the number of resources uploaded, the number of youth referred for business support and for mental health counseling. Lastly, we would measure the success by the effects, which can be through statistics in national surveys where we can tell what's attributable to applications such as touchless counseling. We need a number of resources to take this idea forward. Financial resources that will help us to develop the application further. We need technological support and human resources, people to write content, people to translate the content. We are looking at several partners who include mental health services, telecommunication companies, youth groups, and other organizations. The budget for this application is mainly going to project setup, the application development, graphics designing, marketing, and promotion consultation. In our next stage of the idea, we are looking at refining the prototype and make it clickable, getting more feedback and data, developing and hosting the application online, translating the application to at least 5 local languages to build a toll-free line. We envision our sustainability through partnerships with the National Society and with mental health service providers, national non-government organizations, and business advisory and support groups. Touchless counseling is a perfect fit in 3 departments of Uganda Red Cross Society. First, youth engagement, where the application provides information on joining the National Society, and this will increase membership of the youth. Second, human resources department, where the application will add value to the members, volunteers, and staff of Uganda Red Cross by providing information and business support solutions. Third is the Health and Social Services Department, where we'll supplement the existing counseling services in youth corners at the branches and also in disaster management and first aid programs of Uganda Red Cross. We foresee 2 main challenges. First, the stigma associated with counseling and mental health service in Uganda, where it is closely associated with mental illness and HIV. The application will adapt by being closely related with Uganda Red Cross to give the users confidence. And second, we anticipate that there could be financial challenges related to funding of the application. We will adapt by partnering with organizations that can give pro bono mental health services, and also will add a feature for donations into the application so that users can support the application financially. Touchless counseling is on the trajectory of changing the face of mental health services in Uganda and in Africa. And this funding from the Limitless Academy is the best opportunity to realize this dream.